Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Mitali and I create tutorials to help you master HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Today's video is one you definitely don't want to miss. Picture this, you have just finished coding a beautiful website with that perfect shade of blue used throughout. Then your client calls you and says, "Can we make it a little darker?" Your heart sinks as you realize you'll need to hunt throughout hundreds of lines of CSS, changing that same color value over and over again. Sounds familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a way to change your entire color scheme with just one line of code? Today I'm showing you CSS custom properties, the game changer that will transform how you write CSS forever. Let me show you a common scenario. Here's some CSS that looks totally normal at the first glance. But look closer. That blue color shows up everywhere. The 20px padding copied again and again, and 8px border radius is pasted into every component. So what happens when your client says, "Can we make the brand color slightly darker?" Now you're stuck hunting down every instance and hoping you don't miss any. Custom CSS properties solve this exact problem. They let you define values once and reuse them everywhere. Think of them as variables for CSS. Let me show you the syntax. First, declaration. Custom properties start with two dashes, like dash dash primary color. You typically declare them in root, which makes them available throughout the entire document. Second usage, you access them with var function. Third, fallback. You can provide backup values in case a variable isn't decided. Like here, we use 20px as fallback value for spacing MD. Now here is the messy code. And here's the clean version. Look how clean and modular this is. Now if you want to change our brand color, we do it in one place. Want larger padding or more rounded corners? One update and done. Let's make things more interesting. CSS variables also make theme switching incredibly easy, like toggling between light mode and dark mode. Now in your JavaScript, just do this. And the entire theme switches. All your elements update instantly without rewriting a single CSS code. And before we wrap up, here are 4 best practices to follow. Use semantic names. Use dash dash primary color, not blue. Use dash dash spacing MD and not dash dash 20px. Group variables logically. Keep your colors, spacing and typography organized. Follow naming convention. I recommend dash dash category size like dash dash spacing SM dash dash text LG. Don't overuse variables. Use them for things that repeat or might change, not everything. And that's CSS variables. They make your code cleaner, more consistent, and way easier to update. Your future self will thank you when you're not digging through a sea of hard-coded values. Try them in your next project and let me know how it goes in the comments. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and stay tuned for more CSS tips every week. Thank you for watching.